This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
Trips don't lie on Go MMT Radio.
The name of the show today is Trips Don't Lie. And I don't think Shubham is going to lie about the fact that he has visited quite a few places in the past year. And he is quite happy about it, quite thrilled for that matter. Shubham Khurana is on the show with me today on Trips Don't Lie. He works in the Technology Development Department and is based out of Gurgaon. This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie. Shubham, so nice to have you on the show. A warm welcome.
Thank you so much. Happy to be here.
शुभम, ये साल की शुरुआत कैसी रही आपके लिए?
I would say warm and cold in both the ways. I did get the chance to spend most of my time with the family and being out with them. So that was the most fulfilling one for me. So yeah.
That is good. How long has it been for you that you've joined MMT?
It's been like almost about 3.5 months now.
And what has the experience been so far?
Experience amazing. Again, I would land on the same pace. Somewhat warm, somewhat cold, but yeah.
ये इमर्शन और इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में मैंने काफ़ी सुना है. मेरा ख्याल है आपके साथ भी इमर्शन इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम्स हुए हैं, तो थोड़ा उसके बारे में हमें बताइए.
Immersion induction, I think that is the best part. And interestingly, I would say I haven't experienced any such thing in the past. I had switched a couple of companies before, but yeah, this is one of its kind. It has a benchmark because if we are coming in a company and that too is big in size as MMT, if we want to know about each and every section, each and every segment of the company's functionals, I think immersion is the way to go for it. So that was the best one, I would say.
तो वहाँ पर आपका इंटरेक्शन जो है वो फाउंडर्स के साथ भी हुआ, टॉप मैनेजमेंट के साथ भी हुआ, तो अच्छा लगा आपको that they are interacting with you and they are keeping it so inclusive?
The most interesting part was I got the chance to be on one-on-one with Mr. Deep Kalra, so our CEO. So he was all in for the feedback. So his session was all about the feedbacks, how the platform could be improved, or what all things could be inculcated and brought into the into our different segments, so that the user's point of view, we as the consumers coming out from outside, coming into the system, we can give the feedbacks to him. So that was the most interesting part because he was all in, all ears for any kind of feedback which we were giving to him. So yeah, that was the interesting part, I would say.
तो मुझे लगता है शुरुआत में ही अगर आपको इतना इंक्लूसिव और इतना इम्पोर्टेंट महसूस कराया गया हो, तो then that kind of motivates you.
Exactly, I would say I was much more motivated and felt much more inclusive into the system. सबसे अच्छा part, again I will say कि it was the immersion because it was boring at times, but session is boring. Another session becomes so interesting that we are again revived.
अरे अपने कियारे ऐसे कंप्लीट करो कि 4 लोग बोले
नहीं सारुण के यहाँ कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, जरूर कोई ना कोई गड़बड़.
Go MMT Radio. Hashtag Go.
Trips don't lie on Go MMT Radio.
On the show with Shubham Khurana, टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में हो शुभम. शो का नाम तो ट्रिप्स डोंट लाई है. ट्रिप्स के बारे में तो बात जरूर करेंगे, ट्रैवल के बारे में बात करेंगे, बट टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट, व्हाट डू यू डू हियर?
So I'm basically into mobile apps development, specifically in supply apps in hotels. My day-to-day work goes like developing the mobile app segment that is for the supply apps business. Hotels business specifically.
अब इससे पहले क्या करते थे? MMT के पहले आप किस इंडस्ट्री या किस कंपनी के साथ थे?
Interestingly, I was in fintech. I was with Car Dekho Group prior to this one. That Shark Tank wala Car Dekho Group. So,
nice.
I was in the fintech domain, working with them in their fintech segment where they used to provide used car and new car buyers with their any finance needs.
ओह इंटरेस्टिंग. तो चलिए अब हम चलेंगे सबसे पहला रैपिड फायर राउंड की ओर. एक और होगा आखिर में. आर यू रेडी फॉर इट?
Yeah, sure.
ओके.
The rapid fire round.
Describe your passion to work in one word.
I would say hardworking.
Very good. A hidden talent that you can share.
Interestingly, I am a people's person.
So by now you would have made a lot of friends at MMT.
Hoping to make more.
Okay. Best concert you've attended?
The last one I attended was actually Diljit Dosanjh.
Okay. What's an ideal weekend for you, Shubham?
Being out with friends, working out, or just resting at home with some of the TV series or movies.
Binge watching. यानी कि सब कुछ करना चाहते हो आप एक weekend में. Nice. What's your biggest fear?
Biggest fear, I still have a fear of height. So I have to overcome that. Planning my next trip towards that only.
Yeah, नहीं तो bungee jumping, skydiving तो होगा ही नहीं यार.
Exactly. That is something I'm looking forward to now.
What has been your dream job as a child?
Actually, I've not been looking towards being in a job since my childhood, but yeah, I'm looking forward towards somewhat of entrepreneurship.
Very good. And your last question, what is, a preferred season that you like? Your favorite season?
I would mostly say it should be winters. I hate summers. Sorry if any haters are there. But
All right,
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hey Trippers, this is Abhishek Aswal from Hotel Supply Team. You are listening to GoMMT Radio. Head set go.
Hey Trippers, this is Razia from MICE department. You are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head set go.
Hey Trippers, this is Hemandi Negi from Supply Team and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head set go.
Headset Go.
Trips don't lie. On Go MMT Radio.
On the show with Shubham Khurana, and he's joined MMT about 4 months ago. He was in a fintech company before this, so it's a good shift for you here, Shubham. I mean, it's a travel company after all. How does that feel, that kind of shift?
feels like that was destined. Once we are in fintech, I have to move to travel to connect them right.
Oh. Well, Shubham is from the Technology Development Department and is based out of Gurgaon. So tell me, what are some of the places you have visited recently and you kind of fell in love with them?
I would like to talk about my trip to Bali. That was the most recent one and the most important one, I would say, for me, because I got the chance to be there with my friends, with my office colleagues, interestingly, from the previous company. And we had a lot of fun there. I got to experience, a mix of lot of cultures, because Bali is all about mix of cultures at present, I would say. There is no single culture dominating there. Most of the people are coming from all over the world, and we get to meet and see the different types of people, get to know them, get to know their ideas, get to know how they actually enjoy. So Bali was all about fun, identifying new things, exploring new places. It was all, I would say, an interesting experience for me.
Oh, that's good. I have to ask you about the food over there. I have to ask you about the places you visited, whether it is scuba diving or maybe some heritage structure that you visited.
Hello everyone, this is Leander Pace and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Trips don't lie. On Go MMT Radio.
On the show with Shubham Khurana from the Technology Development Department, Gurgaon is the location. Trips Don't Lie is the name of the show. This is Go MMT Radio. So Shubham, Bali was a big one for you. Bali में कुछ ऐसे experiences के बारे में बताओ, जैसे कि जिन जगहों को आपने visit किया, चाहे वो beach पर हो या beach हो या फिर the place that you lived in, the food, the culture. Tell me more about these things.
So let us start with the food. I'm a foodie, so I did explore a lot of things there. One of my favorite things which I identified, and I'm looking forward to eating it more over here if I get some. So that is nasi goreng. That is
my favorite too, by the way.
Apart from that, sorry Bali, I didn't like anything. Just the Indian food. Other than that, I actually visited a couple of interesting places. One was that Uluwatu Temple. Uluwatu Temple is one place which has a beautiful sight. If you are there in the evening for the sunset, you just see the rising view from there. So its architecture in itself is such that you will be sitting there and you will spend a couple of hours and you won't even notice. That is what the vibe of that place says. Other than that, we did visit Nusa Penida Island. Interesting and one very core attraction point for Bali. So we did visit there. We did some water sports. Again, did overcome one fear of mine there. That was underwater diving fear. So I did do scuba diving and snorkeling, parasailing, everything which I could. So I did overcome one of my fears there. So that was one heck of an experience. Did some clubbing, did some parties, and back after that.
क्या बात है, मतलब फुल वसूल ट्रिप था ये.
Exactly.
It's a complete trip that you have done. तो ये तो आप सजेस्ट करोगे सबको कि बाली तो जाना जरूरी है.
I am suggesting it here and there to everyone I meet.
नहीं बोल पाई, बस नहीं बोल पाई.
कि आने वाले रेडियो एपिसोड्स में मुझे भी पार्टिसिपेट करना है.
Go MMT Radio. Head set go.
Trips don't lie. On Go MMT Radio.
On the show with Shubham Khurana, Trips Don't Lie is the name of the show. Technology Development Department से है ये. Gurgaon is where he's working out of, and I'm your host Annie on Go MMT Radio. So are you ready for the rapid fire round, Shubham?
Yes.
The rapid fire round.
What do you value most in your closest friendships?
I think being open and having trust. That is something I mostly focus on.
Nice. If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be and why?
Historical figure. I would definitely like to sit with and have a chat with Sir Vallabhbhai Patel.
क्या पूछना चाहेंगे उनसे?
The way he actually thought of uniting each and every area throughout the country. So that is something I want to deep dive into and getting his views and thoughts on.
All right, good thought. If you could change one thing about the world, what would it be?
If I could change one thing, I would say let us go and change the way we impact the environment. Because the environmental impact is not something which is just there in the books. It is visible through the naked eyes these days.
Yeah.
And interestingly, with the countries such as India, which is still in the developing and fast developing space, that is something we should be looking forward to improve and work on things sustainably.
Absolutely, and I completely agree with you. Environment को save करना, planet को save करना बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो चुका है. Okay, if you were a superhero, then what would your superpower be?
I think I would like to be Batman.
With a Batmobile, I'm sure.
No, with the night lights and his way of roaming around and figuring out and saving the world during the night.
Oh,
I'm a night.
Good. So it's a combination of Spider-Man and Batman.
Exactly.
Okay. Has anybody given you a silly nickname?
I am mad negotiator at times. One of my college friends at times gave me a name with the name Lala. So that is something which carried with me, and yeah, I hope if they hear this, so they'll be able to remember how we used to make fun of each other.
Oh, that is so cool. What's the most embarrassing thing you've ever worn in public?
So there was a moment when we actually made a random plan to go to a retro club. So I was in my sleepers. I was in my just home sleepers, and we landed there, and they just simply said, "Please be out. You are in your sleepers. We have some shoes."
Alright, your last question. एक profound lesson के बारे में बताइए जो आपने सीखा होगा. वो अपने पेरेंट्स से सीखा होगा या मेंटोर से सीखा होगा?
There is not just one lesson, but yeah, the one thing which I value the most in my current times, I would say, is not specifically from the parents or the friends. It is about the life and experience which I had. So it is always like be with your parents, love them, and stand and listen to them, because their experiences says a lot more than what you think about life. So that is something which I have identified and learned through my recent journey.
Oh, that's lovely. Shubham, thank you so much for your time and talking to me. Here's wishing you all the very best with growth, with progress, with a lot of achievements that you have in mind, and of course, a lot more travel as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Shubham Khurana from the Technology Development Department based out of Gurgaon on the show Trips Don't Lie today. This is Go MMT Radio. Your host Annie is signing out right now. You stay cool and good, and I will see you again on Friday with Filmy Friday.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head set go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.